Product management is about leveraging resources. We take a cross-functional team and somehow figure out a way to create value for both the customers and the organization that we work for. Hi, I'm Daniel Zacarias and I've been doing product for over 10 years now. I now work with teams helping them improve on their strategies and their processes around their products. I love finding customer needs and creating great products as much as anyone. But I found that that's usually kind of the easy part. I'm fascinated by the fact that creating software is basically working with and for other people. And that's where the hard part begins. The work of the product manager is not to be in charge of a product, despite what the title might imply. It's actually about leading a process. It's about figuring out what's valuable and then getting it to market and then supporting it. And it's these last 2 points that end up taking most of our time. It's the constant running around and putting out fires in the day-to-day that ends up sucking most of our days. What I've learned through my own experience and by working with multiple teams is that we can do much better for ourselves if we just put in place a set of key collaboration and communication techniques. We'll be able to win back some of that time and start applying it where it matters most. This is what the Getting Out of Firefighting Mode course is all about. It's not how to deal with all the meetings, interruptions, and spec writing and everything that wastes our time. It's actually how to avoid those things from happening in the first place. We'll do this by covering 5 topics. We'll start off by understanding how we can gain people's trust, then how to get their buy-in, and then how to make them think a little bit more like PMs do. Finally, we'll work out how to keep them informed all the time without spending so much time on it, and actually how to do less product management busy work. We'll be going through a set of exercises and best practices to help you learn some techniques to better communicate, collaborate, and rally everyone around the same goals. If PMs are there to create leverage, but we feel that we're too busy to do it, then we're not being effective. Actually, the first resource that we need to leverage is ourselves. And we need to figure out how to be more effective and save time and focus it where it matters most, which is creating valuable products.